Guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name's Alicia. Today's video we're going to be doing some biscuits, how I like to make biscuits. So my recipe is inspired from Alton Browns Southern biscuit recipe, and it's very similar. So you start off with 2 cups of flour, and then you need 4 tablespoons of some kind of solidified fat. Today I'm using 4 tablespoons of margarine, but it can be anything. Typically what I like to do is 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of baking grease. And usually I add in my baking powder, baking soda, and salt before I crumble the flour and butter together, but I forgot this day. So you add 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then I add just shy of a teaspoon of salt. So not quite. But you just crumble the butter and flour together. You don't fully mix it. Then once you get all of that done, you're going to add in 1 cup of milk. And then you're just going to mix that until it's just combined, and then you're going to pour it out on your countertop and get it to where it's not crumbly anymore. So just mix it just enough to where it's not falling apart on you and it's a consistent dough. You'll see the consistency I'm talking about. And you can add flour as needed, but you shouldn't really need to very much. It's important not to overwork it. It's hard to overwork it, but because you want some of the butter pieces unmelted. And I think that's why I like this recipe so much, is because whenever I usually use the baking grease, it's harder to overwork the baking grease. And then I just flatten it out with my hand, and usually I use the ring part of the lid of a mason jar, but I couldn't find one. My kids were probably playing with it or something, well, playing with all of them, or I don't know. But either way, I just use a jar this day and they turn out just fine. And then I hand form the last one. And you're going to bake these in the oven at 450 for 20 to 25 minutes. And here's what they look like when they're done. Jesus loves y'all, and I love y'all too. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Bye.